Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Robi account is active and allowed for international roaming. Once done, top up or buy a roaming pack in the Robi app or with the UST code. Make sure sufficient balance covers registration fees. Next, enable mobile data and data roaming in your phone settings and turn off local Wi-only limits. If your plan needs activation, follow the in-app prompt now so the network can register you while you're still in country. With phone settings ready, set network selection to automatic so Robi can handshake with partner networks. If automatic fails, choose manual and pick a listed partner operator from the country you're in. This helps when signal is weak. Make sure your APN matches Robi's recommended entry, update it if needed. Once adjusted, restart your phone and wait a few minutes. This forces a fresh registration. If prompted, accept network access messages. They authorize roam. Finish by testing both voice and data. Place a brief call and open a web page to confirm connectivity and proper billing prompts. Once connected, monitor consumption inside the Robi app so you don't hit unexpected roaming charges. Make sure any auto updates are off to save data. If you don't get service, try this key troubleshooting tip. Toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, restart the phone, and reinsert the SIM. If that fails, contact Robi support for network provisioning or manual activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.